Hey guys, welcome to a short video on how to use Premiere Pro. This is for beginners, and if you already know how to use Premiere Pro, then there's no point of watching the video. Later on in the video, I'm going to be talking about green screening. So if you know how to do the first part, maybe skip to a bit in between the clip to talk about green screening rather than editing. Editing 101. Basically, the three main tools you want to be using is the select tool, which is the tool I'm using right now, which is used to select the tool you want to edit. Allows you to move it around, move it up and down, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It allows you to select the tool, and you can select multiple by clicking and dragging, and that's pretty much it. The razor tool, you hover over the bit you want to cut, click, back to select tool, and delete, and then you can, yeah. Say you didn't want a bit of the clip, say your dad walks in and embarrasses you, or your mum walks in and embarrasses you, and you didn't want that bit of the clip, you cut it, and then you go over to your effects, video transition, cross dissolve, and you put it in the middle. And yeah, that's pretty much what you do to maintain continuity. The pen tool, as you can see, that's what you'll see right now. You'll see that, but what you do is you click this and you drag it down. The pen tool, you click, and it puts a little blue dot there. If I click a couple blue dots there, I can drag this blue dot down, which will make this will make the clip go, the level of the sound go from medium to low to medium and back to low. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. I check that bitch like I'm Mari. Sorry, bitch, I don't say sorry. Look at my cup, it got dope. And then yeah, so I've made it so it kind of like fades out. So that's pretty much the basics of how to use Premiere Pro. Now on to green screening. So this is what it will look like, and this is what it does look like right now. So I'll just delete. I'm not gonna do that one because that one was really long-winded and didn't really work. This one right here, that's what it looks like after you finish color keying. So I'll delete this one and then move this clip here to use. You go to video effects, keying, and color key. Once you've got that, you click color key, drag, and you drag it over to the clip you want to color key. Once in there, you have to go to effect controls, click this little paint tipper thing, and you go over to the green screen and simply click. Once that is done, you can see it goes black. Then there's like green everywhere and it looks really nasty. So you put edge thin there, and then you put the color tolerance up. So I put it up to about 23, and what I do is I watch a clip over, make sure everything's fine. Yep, everything's fine. Now I do not. If I do this, this is how. Say a clip is really long, and you want to see what's going on over there. You click this and you drag right. Say the clip is really short, and you want to see what happens in a millisecond. You take it and you drag left, which does that pretty much. Now I do not need any of this bit in the clip, and I also don't need any of that in the clip, as the thing I've color keyed is left the video, and that is done. That's done now. Now what I do is I do this because the clip that sits on top is a clip that will be shown on top. So because that is, I need to see this clip on top of this clip, I'll put this clip on top. So now let's say I want to make them, I want to say like the video here, like the video now for more. I now have I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. It makes your channel look more professional, and it makes it look like you know what you're doing, which is very good in the eyes of audience members. Once you edit it, you'll notice that this is red. To get rid of that, you click enter, it renders the video, makes it nice and crisp and smooth. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. Now, there is more. This one right here is a very long video, and it shows a bunch of memes you can use. You might use something like that, or you might use a different one. All you've got to do is you've got to go to YouTube, type in something like green screen memes. A bunch of videos will come up. You have thousands and thousands of videos you can choose from. Find the one that you like the best, like the meme package that would have the best memes for you. You then copy the link, go to a website called YouTube to MP4. There'll be a list of websites. Some of them work, some of them don't. They pick their times, and some of them work some days, some of them work, some of them don't work the other days. And you just got to pick the one, go through, just pretty much trial and error. Paste the link into the convert bar, convert it, and then yeah, you're good to go. Once it's converted to MP4 rather than the YouTube link, you can download it and then slot it into this section right here. As you can see, I've done that for this bit right there. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video where we could do more tutorials. Thanks guys for watching, and like and subscribe for more content, and see you guys later. Goodbye.